Good morning, everybody. My name is Steffi. Some of y'all have just heard the conversation after a long time. I've joined in, like Ronald and all of them.
Oh, I don't know.
I've seen yesterday. Nice to see all of y'all. Today's training is the training for the leadership. I'll introduce myself. I'm in Dubai for the last 20 years, or you can say 21 years. And I'm a banker working 18 years in the bank. My career started in 1991. So, based on the lifetime span of my working, I'm still at this point of time also not in a position where I can think or achieve my dreams or leave a legacy or retire early. The reason why I joined Magnesa is because I wanted to retire early and travel the world. I know that I don't want to travel all over the places, but the certain things which are there in my bucket list, I want to achieve. Uh, before that's my introduction. Let me give you it's an amazing feeling today to present give an introduction of the presenter, who is the person whom I have been working with in the banking industry for 3 years. She's from India. She's also completed her post graduation in commerce in Bangalore, and she's been in the banking industry for the last 7 years in UAE. The reason why she joined Magnesa is because she was inspired by a diamond executive, Mr. Robert Basumatri. She had heard his presentation, and that really inspired her, and that's how she joined Magnesa. That gave her a life changer, a moment. And she joined Magnesa because she wanted to achieve a goal. The goal, what she has for doing this business, is to build a house for her family, which is where she's working on. She's none other than my I'm a replying Albina Carvalho. Albina Carvalho, I'm handing it over to you.
Okay, thank you, Steffi. Thanks a lot. Why I'm telling you thank you so much, because one reason is like for introducing me and also for showing me this amazing business. Okay, amazing business, and I really thank God for giving me this business, because before I really don't know anything about the network marketing. I never had any experience of network marketing. Okay, but initially, first impression is your best impression, they say, right? So but I got this business which is really very good. The management is good, the ethics are good. Okay, and also I can see myself now growing also. Right? So let's not waste the time. And really, I want to thank my mentors. One is Joey, Mr. Joey, and Mr. Arnold. Always they are there and they are very supportive. Okay, always. So always they guide us in every point of time. So thanks a lot, and thank you so much. Okay, so let's move on to the let me share the screen now. Are you all able to see the business? Or maybe,
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Albina.
Yes.
yeah. Okay.
Just enlarge it.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Better.
So yeah. So let's revise what our leaders, our founders had told us. Okay. This is nine building blocks in network marketing. So let's try to fix these issues, like what when we fail in the network marketing and how we can build it in a right way. Okay, so these are the nine blocks of network marketing. So first, let's understand this model. Okay, usually when you see that there are four types of people, okay, in this world. Okay, one is employee perspective. Okay, they think that job is there, yes, you are secured, and you and self-employed, we can take it as the example of the doctors or the the lawyers, okay, the example of lawyers, and then the business owners, and we have the investors, okay. So in employee, let's understand the employee point of view. Like what is their goal? They have a job, okay, they have a secure job and all, but they have to be there always in their jobs. They have to, if they give their 100%, if your presence is not there, if someday if you are quitting, someday if you're quitting, you don't have anything, income, no income. So you need to have it. It's like they have to go for a job every day. They cannot say like, no, I cannot go for a job today and all. They have to go, right? And business owners, these are the examples of lawyers or your self-employed people. They have a business, lawyers and doctors. It depends on their skills, you know. So if they might be earning good money and all, but it depends on the skill. They cannot do a legacy for their family or something. You cannot pass your talent to, like, you can pass your talent, but the skill, and you have inborn talent that you cannot give it, right? You cannot if a doctor, if your father is a good doctor, it doesn't mean that your child also can be a good surgeon or a good doctor, right? So that is how the difference is. Okay, and here we come to business owners. Okay, business owners are the people who hire, who get money from other people's income. Okay, you work, and even the other people work for you, right? So this is what our Magnus are. What is network marketing comes under. Okay, and then the investors are like, you need a huge money to invest and all. Your presence is not required, but you need a money. But when you have a normal job, you cannot become an investor, because it needs a lot of money. You will be working for a job. You will be working for a job, but then still you have to keep for your savings and things like that. So you cannot become an investor, right? So that is like last point in the where they earn for passive income, and where they don't need your presence and all. Your money keeps growing. Sorry. Yeah, your money keeps growing. So let's understand Robert Kiyosaki. He says that 80% of these people, okay, in this category, 80% of the complete of the world, they come under this category, okay, all. And only 20% of the people, they fall under this category. And you know this, the wealth what these people own is 80% of wealth, okay. And these people, they have only 20% of the world wealth. Okay, imagine, for 20%, 80 people are fighting for it. Okay, it's very difficult, right? So always, whenever our teachers used to say like, you have scarcity of resources, scarcity, I never used to understand why scarcity of resources. Because our mindset is like, they have made it like, we have to adjust, and we have to be like, we cannot grow and all. Like, it's only having a job, yeah, you are secure. No, it's like, you have to take that decision to move from this part to this part, right? So that is more important. So let's try and understand, and let's try to move from this part to the 20% of the people's part, okay, so that we can earn more money, right? So next. Okay, why Magnusa the right choice? It has a right range of products, okay, the right range of products, and it has a scientific income plan, right? Right range of products, like as that day when when the speaker was saying on Sunday, we believe that what he said, there should be a vision, right? Vision for every product. If your product is growing, that is more important. And see, then Magnuson never knew that Corona would have come and affect the lungs, right? They already had the lung care. Imagine, that is like the visionary. You can think about the visionary, and whichever product they have done is very unique and very effective. Okay, the best, what I like the best is this product, the antioxidant juice, which I always take it. And this has really amazing, which has really done to me is like I had PCOD problem, but it has recovered it in 2 months. Now I really don't realize when my periods comes and goes. So it's like that what has done to me. Okay. And then we have a scientific income plan. Okay, we have 9 ways of income plan, and then we have a quality product. It is mind blowing, like number one products we have in this business, and the right culture. Right culture, see, whenever we join network marketing, we have to always realize that I never had this experience of network marketing before, but I'm really lucky, that really thank God that I got the right business. Okay, because when I saw later, googled and checked, that there are like business which just come and do scams and they just go. Okay, first, whenever you join any network marketing business, you have to always see that you have the right culture in that business, you have the product in that business, and is there a visionary, a person who can think about the business, who can grow. If you see our founders, they have an experience of 20 years. Imagine, they know each and every loopholes that can reject your product or your business, but they know each and every look and point of this. And even the products, they are designed in a very unique way, so that no one can tell like, okay, this is same toothpaste what we are using, and what is the difference. There is a difference. The ingredients are completely different, and it has made it in a like a purchasable product, or else the product, whatever the ingredients they use, if it is in other marketing business, it will be like so expensive, right? And it is all organic and less chemical. Everything is really good, and we have the right system, right? We have to always follow the system, and we can do this business. Then we have the best management, yes, the culture, the ethics, and it is so legal that we can trust this company, and we have global opportunity. Not only in India, we are going to open in Nepal, and we have also in Bhutan, and then we are here in Dubai. And see, it's really good, right? Amazing, amazing. Like, we have so many countries where we can go, and it is going to open in all the countries, right? So, and going to be there in Philippines also, right, Joey? Yeah. Next, we'll go for, yes, dreams. See, the first pillar of this business is dreams. Why dream is very important, Without dream, you don't have a goal. You cannot set a goal, and there should be a reason why you are doing this business. You know how they have each products. They have a reason, right? So the same way we need to have a reason for doing this business. Okay, so never compromise on things. We always compromise on, is it like very expensive? No, I can't afford it. Or you will try to reduce your expenses, and then why always compromise and do? You have to keep that dream. Yes, I can do. Yes, it's like, the enthusiasm what I had. Even when I told my dad about this business, then he said, "Yes, I will help you. I'm there always to support you. No problem." Because it was like I was so excited to do this business. And yes, I can do this based on this. Then yes, I'm there. Even my husband is like, yes, I'll support you, no problem. Like, these are these, if they two are there, then yes, I can do it, right? So it's always that we have to understand that never ever get if, offended when people reject you or something, but always focus on your dreams. Yeah, you have joined this business. There are a number of people, they'll tell like, no, this is like this is a scam, this, that, and all. Don't get, you be focused, right? How our mentor here, I mean the founder, who had said, like, Firoz Khan, he was saying, you have to keep focused, right? It is your dream. You have to do this business. You have to give your heart, soul, mind, everything to this business, right? Each and every, I believe that all our body cells, they have brains, each and every, once you put it in your brain, it's like complete body. They have to talk about Magnesar. Yes, we have to talk about Magnesar, right? That is like dream. Yes, we have to, we shouldn't compromise for any of the things, okay? And we can do this business, and that is what the first thing we have to do is we have to dream. We have to do our dream list first, okay? And dream, the dreams are so big that it cannot be compromised, okay? And stop compromising. Magnesar offers you the passive income, leverage, unlimited residual income, right? As we saw in the other picture, we have to go to that 20% of the people, okay, where we have to, where we can get that 80% of the resource, and we can't teach our children like there is limited resources. No, we have a big resource, right? We have to go and jump in that, right? We have to, and I'm just waiting for my daughter to become 18. I will make her to join Magnesar this. So this business is like a beneficiary who keeps on giving you money week after week, okay? Week after week also. And also, when you have introduced anyone, so next day itself, once the match happens, the next day itself, the money is in your account, right? It's so good. Like the system is good, the payouts are good, it is a legal business, and yes, we have a good culture, right? So really proud to be a Magnesar, right? So next, it's nothing more and less. Dreams are dreams, okay? That will make you successful, right? Dreams are always, you see, all the people whoever has become billionaires, millionaires, so they are the people who have a dream in their mind, right? So that is more important. Dream is very, very important. So jot down all your dream list, where you want to go, you want to travel, where you want to do, I mean, you want to make the, you have to, yeah, you have travel, then you have to go to, you have to invest somewhere or something, you make money from this, you do invest. I mean, so dreams, you do your dreams and you'll be successful. Yes. Okay, so it should be like dreams. You can will set you a goal. Okay, you can set your dreams as smart goal. Like how it will be like. It should be like specific. Okay, always write down. Be specific in writing what is your dreams. Okay, it should be measurable, achievable, and relevant and recorded. Okay, always, so that, and it should be time bound. Always you write down the date with your dreams, so that you have a target, you have a deadline for the dreams. Never ever like you will be like, okay, I have to do I have to construct a house, I won't keep it like that. No, I have a date. Yeah, I have to finish this, I have to, so that it will give you a kick every day. So every day it will tell you, yeah, there is a time which is running lesser and lesser, right? Day by day everything is going. Now see, it's going to be 1 year where Magnesar started, right? So it should be like time is running fast. So always keep a timeline, and so that you can achieve your dreams very soon and fast. Okay, everything is created twice. Okay, first you have to picturize, okay, in your mind, and then you have to visualize your dreams. Yes, it will happen, right? And then you have to put it, you have to make it true, right? So dream for your family, dream for your children, dream for your future. There is only one life, and live it for the fullest, right? Be aware of those dream stealers, right? It can be your close friend also. It can be your relatives, anyone, okay? So be aware of the negative influences and all, okay? So don't take out your focus, okay? Our business is ethical, and always keep your mind that it is ethical, it is legal, okay? There is nothing that is going to harm you or anything. It is only who can stop is yourself, okay? No one can stop you unless you say a no to yourself, okay? So you are, and you are stronger than you think, okay? So if you think that no, I won't be able to do this business, no, it is like you are more stronger than you think. So you have to always focus and do this business. Then first is like, yes, believe on yourself, believe on the industry, company, products, plan, okay, appliance and system. Appliance are more important, right? You have to respect them and you have to take always their guidelines. Okay, this is not like trial and error method here. You cannot do that. If you have a doubt, go to your appliance, clear all your doubts and do the business. Okay, but you have to do it systematically every day. Every day you have to do this business. So next is commitment towards the business, right? We, as Firoz Khan was saying, you have to give your mind, soul and heart, right, to this business when you start your business, because this is your own business. Yeah, no one will, one side maybe your upline will help you, but it isn't the other side, you have to do it. This is your business. You have to keep falling. Don't feel like for rejection, don't fear for rejection. Even they were failed for so many times, right? No one will support you, but yes, you have to be committed always. See, commit is the glue that bonds you to your goal, right? Commitment is that commitment which is really needed in this network marketing. uh, have you given 100% commitment? Okay, time. Okay, every day at least 1 hour you can make a timetable that at least I will call this 6 people. Okay, then yes, you can see like, is your downlights are repurchasing these products, right? Or you can see like the follow up you have to do, which you had done last day or yesterday or day before yesterday. You have done the meeting. Are you doing these meetings for your appliance? Make a timetable. Like, it will be really good to keep a follow up and also to guide yourself, because this is our business, right? Yes, if it is my business, then yes, I have to do it. So why see, you usually when I joined this business, I just realized that um, people, we give 100% to our companies to grow others business. Why not grow our business, right? Why don't we give this 100% to grow our business? It's like continuous effort to attend this we have to commit. Okay, commit to attend the meeting. We have so many 5 sessions, right? We have in a week. We have on Tuesday, we have on Monday, we have on Fridays, we have on Saturdays and Sundays. So we have 5 meetings. You can learn it. You can then later present it, right? So it's like, it will give you confidence. You can see myself was, I was so shy. 3 months I didn't do anything. But still now it's like, our appliance, they're so good. They'll help you in each and every point of time. You can tell them and they will help you. So there is nothing. And the culture, what we have in this business are very humble. People all are very humble in this business. Okay, they don't have any attitude or anything. And even this business, it grows like you will help each other, and you will grow this business. So if people want to help, if people are so, whoever is rude or something, like if his behavior is not, but when he joins this business, he becomes a good person and comes out, right? That is the more important thing. So that is the plan of this. The business is like so ethical. Like ultimately you will help and come out of this business, right? You have to help. So this is the way they have designed. It's really amazing. So always commit yourself, okay? And commit to your appliance, commit to your associates. And yes, I was not helping my downlines and all, like people are there, but I started today itself. Yeah, I have to do this. This is like, I can't just tell when I'm not doing it, right? I can't just tell I'm doing it. Now I started it. And yes, if they are really repurchasing my product, yes, you have to keep following up on that. Okay, then determine your commitment. How many meetings are you attending, and everything. You have to be always attending meetings, because I believe that whenever you attend, you will take something and go from this meeting. Okay, always you have something. You can, whenever the speakers come, you have their experience, their knowledge, how they have personally, like they have, it has helped them, and you will experience their experience, so that it will help you in telling your friends and your people whom you want to refer, you can tell them like, see, this person has already done it, right? Why can't we do it? Next is name list. Okay, list down all your names, like your family, your relatives, your neighbors, people at work, and from school days and everything. Okay, so but I really doubt these people's. Okay, these are like your, the dream stealers. Okay, it can happen, but immediate families will really help you, like your spouse or your family, like mom, dad. Yes, they will help you. Okay, but don't your auntie, uncles, and it's like very difficult. Okay, so but the first you approach your family, because you can, if they don't want to do business also, but the products are so good that they can have a quality life. Nowadays all the masalas and have so many chemicals in it, but our product is not like that. It's like it is completely organic, and the edible things are so good. It is like each and every products are designed in that way to give you a better health. Yeah, so you can list down all your friends, families, your neighbors, and then you can start inviting them for the meeting, right? How to approach these strangers and prospect these strangers is like, you have to speak to them first. It's like speaking to them is more important. Okay, prospecting for success, that is like what to do when you have to catch people. Like whenever you can start a conversation with your with people, and then you can qualify them, you can identify them, that who will be your prospect. You can it can be your prospector or your distributor. I mean your customer, distributor, and your customer. Because some people, they will join immediately when you say like, yeah, because they don't keep any judgment, they don't have any sort of judgment for you all. So they will join, they are like your best friends, right? Whenever strangers are your best friends, always. So whenever you are telling someone, so keep a smile, okay, and greet them, shake hands. Okay, so now it's Corona, so you don't need to shake them, but you can, yes, you can tell them, like, how Joey he does, yes. So the way, that's really good, it's really like touching your heart, the way he greets. So you have to like be attractive when you're telling them. Don't be like shy or something. So you have to speak to people. The best way, what Firoz Khan was telling, try to talk to people. Go outside your house, talk to people every day. You have 365 days. You have to recruit 365 people every day. Imagine how your business will be like. Wow, amazing, right? So big. 365 people in a year. Wow, amazing. So that is how we have to identify the people, the primary, we have to motivate them, the factors. And also don't leave their hands whenever they tell you like you need some help. Always give them. Our business is always like, mainly it will focus on helping people, right? So that is the one. Okay, and this is like how they qualify, how you qualify the names. It's like ABCD. If a profile is bigger than you, then you have to jot down some people. Then if your profile is equal to you, then you have to list down all those people. And people who have low profile than you, then you can approach them. So it's like a different way of, everyone has a different style of doing it. But I believe that every day, if you keep a timetable for yourself, that is more important. And then invitation, secondly, sorry, fourth, it comes as invitation. There are two types of invitation. That one is casual and not natural, not spontaneous, not friendly, well planned. And other thing is like well planned, punctual, and spontaneous. Okay, you have to be, while you're inviting, okay, as Anand sir says, always call and invite them. Okay, never explain. And even Firoz Khan says, no, never tell your business, never ever tell your business, always show the business, right? We have to show the business, because telling might be like imagine when they say like network marketing, they will just run away. Okay, that's it. They have just shut down their ears and that's it. They're not going to do. But if we tell that we have some opportunity and please do come to for the meeting, if they don't have time, then you just like take an appointment and do the meeting for them. Okay. So this is like the professional way and unprofessional way, okay? And always be true to your okay, always be true, okay? Don't try to cheat people and all. It's like first you use those products and then you can tell it, okay? You don't ever uh, tell just like because you want to have you just want to sell it. We are not here to sell the product, or we don't want to convince anyone. We have to become an influencer, okay? As Zumeid, I mean, I forgot his name actually. Zunaid, I can't pronounce his name, but he was the speaker on Sunday, right? The way he speaks, right? It's like people would like to come and join immediately. It's like the way he speaks. It's like he's like an influencer, you know. The way he speaks, he puts down his words. It's like wow, amazing, right? That is what Magnus has done to him. Amazing, right? So we are in really good hands. So avoid using like taglines like that's what selling and all. We are not here for selling or corporate brand names, products which carry misconception. Don't use all such words and all. You just give a call, tell them there is an opportunity, okay, for you, and you please join the meeting. Okay, you will get, because telling on the phone might give them a bad impression, and telling less of information is really very dangerous. Like it's like giving no information, or your prospect might just run away. It's like no, we don't want this network marketing or chain business or something like that. So always tell that you have an opportunity, and you just tell them that they might tell you like no, you elaborate the business and all. No, I don't want to miss anything. You just come and attend this meeting, and I will send you the invitation in Zoom. That's it. That is more than enough. Don't And if they don't have time, you just take an appointment and then plan and do the then you take up and with the Anand or anyone, and you can explain them the business. Or you can also itself, when if you are expert, then you can really explain about the business. Okay, but it's better to take your help of your appliance, because they can show their incomes and like how they are earning and all. So it will influence a lot. Okay, the impression gives a lot. I think it's getting started. Okay. Yeah. See, it should be always one-on-one. Okay. The meeting should be always a one-on-one, and a home meeting, and Magnusa opportunity meeting. It shouldn't be like on the phone and nothing like that. Okay, always, and always tell them that this you just join me. No, always listen to what is their choice. Okay, choice for business. What is their, are they ability? They have the ability, like as Dr. Prasanna was telling us, like always whenever you do something, no, you have to keep always three A's in your mind. Okay, one is the ability, one is the attitude, and one is the sorry, attitude, ability, and availability. Okay, availability in sense, it's not like you are just available, your physical presence. No, your mental, everything present should be there. Okay, so always tell them, are they able to do this business? Ability they have, are they always like they have the right attitude of doing this business? And one more is like you have the right availability. You are always available for the meeting. You have the availability in the business whenever you need. So that is all the criteria that you always see. Okay. So this is how one-on-one session will be. Always show them the business and take up the and then do the closure. Okay. And then always use, and don't use, like they are telling, like don't use the environment such as like tea stalls and all this. You just call them to the office, in Magnus office in Dubai, and then you can show them, so that it will be very good. And whenever we show, we have to be very punctual, when Anand was coming to talk to us, okay, he was at least half an hour before the meeting. We were just like, he gave time at 2 o'clock, but it was like he was already there before like 1 o'clock or something like that. He's like, see that enthusiasm, he's always punctual, and there shouldn't be any delay or something. So that is the way we have to always follow these guidelines. Then online meeting, yes, now it is like always online meeting that is happening, so we can fix the meeting, and we can and present them the business. Okay, ensure that your network is proper and things like that. Always it's very difficult for them to show the business, and so always invite multiple people for meeting, so that there is no problem in the business. Okay, when you are, so that they have the questions, and it will be clear for everyone. Then some people, they will come home and they will do the invitation. So it's like the different ways of invitation of doing. And even when your family is there, you have to show the plan, and you can do this presentation in front of your family and family members, so that it will help them to understand, and they can clarify all their doubts. Okay, then Magnus meet, right? So whenever we have this Magnus meet, always we have to go for it, because this transforms. They say that all the diamonds, no, they come out only when they attend the transform session, right? Transform sessions are very important. Please don't miss it if you have been, at least, because we have this opportunity, right? We should not miss this opportunity. Okay, because you really don't know what is their, you can see their vision, our founders, their vision is so clear, and they are so amazing. Then if you are there, the way they are, your thinking, your perspective will completely go different. If when you have joined this business, my perspective was something else, but when I heard them, like, it was amazing. It really changed me, right? So then show the plan. always Always show the plan, never ever tell the plan. Them about the company, the products, the potential, the people, how the culture is, right? Tell them that, tell them the dreams plus your actions is success, right? The success also, if you see the spelling of success, no, it is like, it cannot be spelled without you. Okay, it's amazing, right? Success cannot, that means that we have to build, we are helping others, right? We are helping in this business, because others are there and they are helping us. So without them we cannot be successful, right? So success always is being pronounced or told. Without you it cannot be told. So that is, so you are very important, right? So always be enthusiasm, and keep no doubts. Okay, always, if you have any doubts, please clarify them immediately. And always, you always clear your doubts. Don't keep any doubt. If you have any problem in understanding the products and all, you can go back to your appliance, and they will help you. Okay, then follow up is very, very, very important. Okay, people may join you like after 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month, or 2 months, or imagine Prakash Bara, he was saying, like, initially when he went to people, those people, they were never ever interested. Okay, now after 5 years, okay, they are coming back, and they are only telling, please, I want to join Magnus. And then, people, always they say that whenever whoever you have spoken to them, no, they will always keep a tracker behind you, like what is this person doing, is he fallen in this business. They just want to check. They don't want like that you are doing something right, something different. So it's like people, they will always follow, see you, like is it you are really growing in this business. Then they will be like, oh yes, we had to grow in this business, we had to join this business, right? So always whenever you tell this business to anyone, right, so that person will always follow you. Okay, he might not join you immediately, but they will always keep a follow up. They always have that intention, like okay, maybe this person is gone, or he not doing well now, so let's always, they will always look after you. So always remember that whenever you are telling anyone, no, they will always be there, and they will always follow you, and keep on telling them, yes, we are doing this good, and yes, we are doing this good. And I used to show my, initially it was not that good, but now I started showing, like, yes, see my income, how it is now. Now it's like not like, yeah, not shameful and all to show. Like initially it is very difficult. So that, no, I can give you an example of wheat agriculture. Okay, wheat agriculture, and one side it will be the agriculture of mangoes. Okay, so the I imagine wheat, it takes how much time? 4 months. Okay, 4 months to grow, and also it will give you benefit very soon, right? But your mangoes, it takes how many time? How much time? Like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years, right? It takes 4 years, but the result, the fruit you can enjoy till how many years? 200 years. So network marketing or magnetize something like that, right? So you have to your commitment, your ability, your dedication. That is more important than handling objections. Okay, never get offended, never get defended. See people, see, if in this business, if you don't ever if you don't ever face rejections, I believe that you cannot be successful. Okay, this business is like you have to manage to accept the rejections always. Okay, rejections will always be there, so never get offended. If you really cannot accept the rejections, really this business is really not for you. Okay, this business has many rejection. You fall, you get up, you fall, you get up, and yes, you have to do it. It is so because we have to enjoy those mangoes, right? Later on, after 4 years or 5 years, for 200 years, we have to enjoy this. So initially, whenever whatever business which is very difficult in initial stage has a more returns. Okay, more returns. Always remember that when initial stage it will be very difficult. That type of business will give you more of income in future run. Okay, then remember that our business is the facts and stories. Tell them about these, how, right, us our emerald, Santosh Joseph, how he struggled his life, but now he's like, right, really crorepati, right? So people used to go with him on bus and all, and they used to laugh like, what is this? And even his community also used to laugh at him, what is he doing and all. But now he's going in Mercedes, and those people are still in going under bus, right? So that's the difference. So always, okay, don't give aggressive and robotic answers. Okay, don't always anybody insults you. Don't allow anyone to insult about our business or company. Okay, we are doing an ethical job. Okay, ethical business, and be proud to do this job. Okay, be proud to do this business. Okay, it's your business. Okay, okay, walk, okay, with pride. Walk out with the pride. Yes, I'm doing. We always have this ethics, no, that we don't want to harm anyone, not to this. So this business is such an ethical, and it is legal business, that you have to take a pride, right? That yes, I'm doing this business. And people who have not joined, it is their loss. Okay. See, your objections will be like there always. So felt, and then you found. You feel it, you feel the rejection, and then you feel that empathy, right? And then you felt, you refer it, and you have the story, right? Always. So if you really don't um, face the rejections, then how will you tell the stories? Right now, Santosh Joseph, he has a big story to tell. Now he is multi-millionaire, right? He's like Karotpati. So it's like really good. He has a big story. So that is the way how we will be. You always follow up, or follow up is really required, because as our founder, he says that if he gives um, for your I mean, if he gives a 10 marks for your presentation, if he gives the for your I mean 10 marks for all the other things, but if you don't follow up, okay, that will really lead you with the he gives 70 percentage. Okay, 70% depends on your follow up. Always ask them. And you can join this business without any money, right? Registration is completely free. So don't sell this business, but you build a business. Okay. Yeah, as they say that two-third of every sales attempt ends with no attempts, because we don't follow up with people. We don't ask them, how did you feel? How did you feel about this business, right? We have to keep on telling them, Susanna Bara, she used to keep on uh, asking like after 3 to 4 years also, she was keep on following. Then people started joining them, right? So that is more important. That is what the dedication is towards the business, right? So always remember that you have to follow up, and there should be a good closure for your sales. Okay, then duplicate. Okay, as you see that how our Anand sir and Joy sir, they are teaching us in doing this business and duplicating, right? Duplicating their work. So the same way we have to duplicate this, okay, business. You have to teach it. It says like something which cannot be duplicated in this industry has no purpose. Okay, always you have to search that upline who can duplicate yourself. I mean, they have to replace it, and they have to do this business. And how you're doing, you have to teach them. This is like you have to teach them to catch fish, right? So every time you have to teach them how my upline, like Steffi, she has done to me, like the changes. And also the same way you have to follow the same thing, and you have to do the same duplication to your the downlines also. Okay, the online registration, everything you teach them the system, how it works and all, and that will it will help them to others to help to duplicate the same thing, and they will do the same thing. Okay, prepare the distributor to stand alone. Okay, always don't be like the handicapped people, they use the Baisakhi, what do you call it, the stand or the support. So every time, first or second, after 3 months, they have to be perfect in this business, right? They have to be perfect in this business, and they have to duplicate it. So it's like you will never be there. We are there. Always we are there for your. But it doesn't mean like without us you cannot bring any appliance. Okay, you cannot bring your downlines. No, you have to. You have to stand on your feet. You have to do the work. You have to follow the system. If you follow the system, then yes, you can do this business very smoothly. Then a counsel up with appliance. Yes, I always go to my sponsor. Always, yes, Steffi. Yes, what is the plan? Yes, what we can do. Every time, I never leave her in office. Also, whenever she comes for 2 days. I never leave her. I have to speak to her something about the business, like how we are going, how we are doing. Yes, that is the support. And also we have Joey sir, always I go behind him for presentation. Go, so, what I can do for this? Like, can you send me this PPTs? Can you send me this PPTs? Yeah, right. But they are really helpful, and they are always. If you have the commitment to do the business, then yes, we are always there. Okay. Then communication, like always communicate to your downlines. What are they doing? See, is there any cause they are like, is it stopping them in doing something, or help them in doing the business? Okay, do not. See, don't do anything by yourself. Okay, there is no trial and error method. Always go as per the system. Okay, don't pass negative things to your downlines or cross connections. Don't do that. Okay, follow the system and don't damage, because this business, what we are doing, is very ethical, and also we have this helping nature, right? In this business we follow the culture of helping nature, helping the people, right? So always be don't fake around, and be genuine to yourself, and to God, because there are people who is seeing you, right? So we cannot be like a bad person or something. We have to always help people in doing this business. Okay, so things you have to always avoid is, don't mess with anyone for money or something like that. You have to build your business properly and very ethically. We are doing a ethical business, not again and again I'm telling that it's an ethical business. Always remember. Okay, then don't do don't mix alcohol with your business. Means like, don't fake around. Okay, if you're really using this product, yes, you tell that yes, you're using this product. Okay, so it's not like if you, without using the product, you really cannot tell about the business. Okay, first you try on yourself, and all the products have unique USP. I'm not saying like you use all the products. Some people might require this, so some people might not require some products, but really what I experienced, I told you all that for me the antioxidant was really good and it was really mind blowing. So you have to, so you try using it and all, and there is nothing. Don't tell any negative about the company, and because this is an ethical business, and have faith in yourself and have faith in God. Okay, thank you so much. Over to the host.
Thank you so much, Albina. I think each and every one today who heard Albina's presentation, in each and every slide, there were so many points learning from her. The 9 building blocks which were there, which was discussed, I'll summarize the whole thing because I was amazed looking at her, the Entu and the points that she picked up. Yes, I feel that the duplication of it is very well done, and she can go ahead and build her downlines and train them. She spoke about the quadrant of Robert Kiyosaki, which is the employee, the self-employed, the business owner, and the investors. Well, she tried to explain. She explained a lot on that slide, but more she said that from the self-employed and the employees who normally work every day, and if they don't go to work, you don't get the money. They have to invest. If a self-employer has to invest in a company, he has a risk of the money. He has to give more of his time because it's business. And then how through Magnesta we have to all try and build get these people which are on the left to the right, which is has a business owner and an investor, where you invest little bit of your time, you and then after you duplicate, and there are more people working for you, and you become as an owner. She also spoke, she gave a testimony about Magnesta in this training, which was also amazing, about the antioxidant. Yes, she spoke that she tried it, and based on that, she's talking about it, like, how it helped her. And we need to try the products, and then we can talk, with confidence about it. She emphasized more on dream and the commitment, because if you don't have a dream, you don't have a goal. even everybody who are working, maybe from the age, some of them are working from the age of 18, some of them are working earlier than that, some are working for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. But at the end, when they are retiring, they don't have anything because they invest maybe in a house or their children's education. And then for the retirement or for their, some of them, they don't even have for their children's education to complete their education enough money. So Magnesa is a platform which will help people to grow. And how we can do it, not only our dream list, but by helping people to achieve their dreams, you automatically achieve your dreams. So it's like a duplication. You're building up your business at the same time helping. So that's how Magnesa as a company, we have all joined. She also spoke not to oversell any product. And you have to be an influencer, but don't oversell something. So that was because I was writing at the end, there were too many things and I knew I wouldn't be able to summarize. So I just stopped. But she was emphasizing more on ethical. The company is ethical. We are there to help people. And that is very important because we need to do that. You have to be very strong when there's rejections, because as Mr. Captain Feroz Khan said, that in a year you will have rejections after rejections after rejections. Maybe you will have maybe 5 or 10 people in 1 year, but those 5 or 10 people will be your leaders, which will help you build your business and duplicate it in the next second and third year. And that's how you will grow in Magnesa. Then there was a small example she gave over the mango tree, which was a very amazing example, which takes time to grow, and you get the fruit after maybe 3 years or 4 years, but you can enjoy the fruit for 200. It's like a pipeline that you build, a passive income. And that's how we also, all of us, will work together. And I know that as the company is growing globally, we will all grow along with the company. So thank you very much, Albina. It was really, really a proud moment for me to hear you today for the presentation. And I'm really happy because you have a little bit of reflection of Joey. Thank you once again. And I think each and everyone really enjoyed, because this was a presentation which was taken by Feroz Khan on the day of the event that we had. And we just wanted to go through with all others who had missed and who could and also us who could really refresh it again. But it was very well said and very well presented by Albina. Once again, thank you. And thank you once again, Joey and Vaibhav. And if I don't know if 001 is there, if he wants to give his final note on Albina's presentation, I hand it over to him if he's there.
Thank you very much. Hello. Well, I am so amazed. Trust me, even though you might have not seen me on the video, but I was hearing everything. And the way she was connecting with so like casually, the connection was so casually made that, you know, it's not like she's someone very new into the presentation part. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. It was wonderful presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Only one point I want to repeat, which Ms. Steffi also has already repeated. Let's understand, this business is all about rejections. The more rejections you get, the more success you get. That's so simple. I know it's not easy to climb the rejections, because, you know, it's like staircase with the thorns. So you walk on it, and you walk on the rejections, and there is a thorn right there. It hurts, but that's okay. That's all right. It's worth it. That's the best thing. So let's understand. Let's start getting the rejections. And I have seen, get 100 rejections, a very good weekly income will start in your bank account. It's proven. No more research. The last thing I just want to share, tomorrow is Wednesday. We have this M Circle meeting at 8:30. We will be making the roster for the next 1 or 1.5 months. So please, all the leaders in the M Circle, let's be there and participate in taking the lead for the hosting presentation. And there are many things we are doing in the team to build it stronger so that we can support more and more people. Now, gradually, we will be seeing people from other team joining our system to learn, which is a good news for us. So we are reaching out of the domestic zone to the international zone, where other people can also just come in and learn from our system. How good it is. I'm so happy about it. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow in the M Circle Meet, 8:30 Dubai time, 10 p.m. India time. Please make sure all these meetings, let's try to be in the meeting before 20, 25 or 30 minutes, because the room, we are trying to open the room at least 30 minutes prior to the start of the meeting. So that we get some comfortable time to get, in the position so that we can focus and learn. So thank you very much again, everyone. Back to the host. Thank you again.
Thank you once again, everybody. And I was not aware that Anand is there, but it was really once again nice. Alvina, I'm really proud of you, and I know you will do it.
Thank you. Thank you, Steffi.